Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. I've seen quite a few people with kayaks on top of the car using inflatable roof racks. I thought that was quite a good idea. They're quite pricey though, you're looking at somewhere between 50, 70 pound plus, and I did wonder if it was possible to come up with a cheaper alternative. I think I might have found it. There's only one way to find out, isn't there? So what I've got here is I've got some 5-meter straps that are kind of like ratchet straps, but the tension belt, so you can create quite a lot of tension in them, and some pipe lagging. And quite fortuitously, this pipe lagging fits perfectly between the what would be the bar holders, roof rack holders on my car. It's quite spot on actually. So yeah, that's pretty tight. I know that's twisted, but this is just the trial run just to see how I can get this. So yeah, that's not bad actually. And then it just feeds through the car. And then when you close your door, obviously it locks that into place again. What I have heard with these kind of roof racks, that inflatable ones that go over the top, is not to leave them out in the rain because it does separate, create a little gap in the seal. So it's just something to be aware of if you've got inflatable roof racks, or if you're planning on doing something along these lines. And there it is on. Looking at it from the front, you can see there's about an inch on, about an inch and a half either side. So there's not much in the way of play, but once you've kind of got a boat strapped to this, and then one here at the back, only just had a thought, might have to remove my aerial while I do this. But yeah, I think it's got potential. So what I'll do is I'll tape these up, and we'll come back when I've got them taped up and ready to go, and we'll try it out with the boat on, see how it works. Have you done anything like this? Let me know in the comments if you have, more importantly, and let me know how it worked out. Alright, so I've got these roof racks that I've now made and completed. So what I've done is, on this pipe lagging, is there is like a split in the seam. I think you can probably see that more at the end. No, not really, because I've taped it up. And so what I've done is I've put some duct tape along the seam, and then put some wraparound tape at 5 points on it, just to stop it from coming apart really, and just to give it a bit of extra support. So let's get these attached to the car. Well, I think I've got that on. It seems relatively tight. I don't know how tight these things are supposed to be. I've put one of these little blue ones through, just through the nose of the handrail there, just to stop this from sort of like, you know, lifting up a bit, I think. I don't know that it'll make any difference, but they seem tight enough. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. I think I'm going to take it for a quick drive around the block and see what it feels like, see if anything happens. Right, that was a little bit nerve-wracking at times, but everything seems all right. It's not gone anywhere. I've done about a 5-mile round trip, and I hit about 60 miles an hour in a couple of places, and yeah, it seems all right. The only thing that did dawn on me while I was out is I could maybe do to have something holding the back of the boat up to here. So I might see if I can make a couple of straps work for that. But other than that, quite chuffed. Quite chuffed indeed. So I'm about to do 20 miles with that on there to meet oldest friend by Selby Canal. We'll see how that goes, eh? And that's on an A road, so yeah, quite a bit of 60 mile an hour driving. Well, I've made it here. Sorry if there's a bit of wind noise. I've got no wind protection on this microphone at the moment. And yeah, pleased to say, it's all good. Not gone anywhere. I did put a couple of additional straps on the back, and as you can see, that's quite loose, which means this hasn't slid and pulled on those, creating any tension. So that's good. Same at the front. There's no additional tension on the strap. Gotta say, I'm chuffed to bits with that. I think that's a real winner. Now considering, as I've said earlier, that these roof bars, the inflatable ones and so on, they can cost you usually between 50 and 70 quid for a decent set. I'll tell you what this cost me. So these black straps, the 5 metre straps, they were 19 quid, 18.99. The pipe lagging, 5 quid, and that was for both of them. Bit of duct tape, you don't even really need that. I've only used that for a bit of security really, just for my own peace of mind and just to try and make a bit better product. So less than 25 quid roof rack for carrying your boat. How cool is that? You know what to do if you like this, you know what to do if you don't. And if you like what I'm doing on the channel, hit the subscribe, and then you won't miss out on any more marvellous things like this. Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Cheerio.